One, and right now I will check that everything okay with sound, and we will start. And I actually don't see anything. Research. No. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be a really huge research because I spent maybe 2 days on it, and I really don't want to edit the whole information. Yes, everything is okay, and let's begin. It is my first stream in years. Excellent connection. Everything is okay. If you have any questions, write it in a comment section. I will try to reply. In this video, I will talk about Hong Kong gold miners, then United States gold miners, and maybe some words about Russian gold miners. Anyway, we'll start from gold. Here you can see some sort of a rectangle here, and from my point of view we will see this break to the all-time highs, and then the price will come down to maybe 1800 or maybe a little bit lower to this I don't know how to call square. If you have Newman Corporation, I think we have upper channel here, and from 2015 to 2020 it was on a lower side here, and I think we will see the same pattern somewhere here. If we will use my analysis tool, you can see that average price to sales 3.15, 14. Then I have negative gross profit, probably 0, and net income 205. And it is a useless tool. We can see that the price fluctuate around this green line, this price to sales 3.14, and I'm expecting 52 bucks in 1 year and 57 bucks in 2 years, and definitely it is absolutely not interesting for me. Then we will check other gold companies, and you can do it easily with Finviz. We'll just use this industry gold, and we have FMV gold, AEM, Goldfields Limited, Anglo Gold, Royal Gold, and other companies. And they quite the same, I think. I don't know why this happened. Yeah. Next one, Franco-Nevada Corporation. The all charts are quite close to the gold price, and I think it is definitely a problem because I don't see any upside on all charts. Um, yeah, right now you can see that gross profit in a good shape because previously it was lower than the green line, now it is higher, and it is good. Franco-Nevada Corporation has really nice profit margin, 51%, and it is definitely awesome. But anyway, we can see that upside it's not good, and if we'll count on a gross profit, it will be maybe 15% in 1 year. Not interesting. Then we have Barrick Gold Corporation, and as you can see, we have some sort of a channel here, like this. It is definitely not good because we're close to support line or resistance line here, and we can expect something like this. Average price to sales 2.66, price to gross profit 9.59, and net income in negative zone. I will use 0. Definitely, it is not interesting to buy. It is falling right now. Yeah, I wouldn't buy Barry Gold. Then we have Wheaton Precious Metals, WPM. Mhm. 15.66 average price to sales, then 30.85 price to gross profit, and a net income 44. Again, and we have some sort of dying channel. It is definitely not interesting to me because it is like something like this. And now we have extremely nice price for gold. And actually, I have only one interesting stock to actually think about, or maybe you can close your position and buy B2 Gold Corporation. Average price to sales 2.93, price to gross profit 9.47, and price to net income 11.54. Now they have a grow rate over 20%. In my model, I will leave 10% because it is not so important. And we can see that green line somewhere here. Definitely, we have some upside here, but it is not huge, only 19-20% in 2 years. Plus, definitely you need to do your research because last data from 2020 they have net income. They had net income $661 million, then 416, and in 2022 it was $242 million. Absolutely not interesting from my point of view. Then, if you have access to Hong Kong stocks, you can see these tickers. Uh, I will start from a bad one. Grand T Gold Holdings 82999. Not interesting because I think it is some sort of a dead company. Then we have 3330. It is super small, or maybe not. Yeah, it is not small, but profit margin really low, 2.3%, and I don't think that it is a good idea to buy stocks like this. Then we have minus 99% company. I think it is a dead company. And then we have Shandong Gold Mining 1787. It is quite big, $128 billion Hong Kong dollars in market cap, but they're paying really low dividend, and as you can see, profit margin not really good, from 3 to negative 2%. I think it is not interesting. And one more small company, 151 million Hong Kong dollars in market cap. It is not interesting, and I think it is quite hard to enter in the stock, but from time to time they can generate really nice profit margin. First stock to check, I think it is China Gold International Resources. They have a really nice profit margin. Right now it is 20%. They are quite big, $16 billion. But I think it will be really hard to enter in this stock after this plus 46% grow in 1 week. That is why I'm just watching on this stock. And if I will use my median price to sales thing, you can see that price to sales average 1.27. Right now it is 2.2. That is why I think you can just skip this company. But anyway, even if we will use price to gross profit as a main thing, you can see that we actually don't have a huge jump, or maybe have. Yeah, that's quite interesting. Maybe market expect the same like super nice years for this company, because right here after second jump in gross profit, you can see that stock actually made plus 118%, and that is actually interesting, because we can see, maybe we can see something like this for the next years. Definitely I recommend this stock for your research. Then we have Uh, Zygin Mining Corporation 2899. And here I have some drawings. Maybe it is WXYXZ pattern, and I'm expecting that we will see quite big drawdown, minus 58%, and I think this point will be absolutely perfect to enter, because it is a quite good company with big capitalization, 412 billion Hong Kong dollars, and I really like their operations. My daughter want something. Profit margin close to 10%, and I actually researched them. They are making money from copper and gold, and they operate in China and outside of China. Yeah. Here you can see overseas operations all over the world, and it is really nice for diversification. Um, and the domestic operations, and if I don't miss, they generate 80% from China. If we will open Zidin mining on Guru Focus, actually it is really nice numbers. Gross margin 15, operating margin 11, net margin 7. Peter Lynch value in a green zone, it is good. They are quite safe. Altman score 2.71, it is in a gray zone. PE ratio 18, price to sales ratio 1.36. This can be a little bit suspicious. ROIC minus WACC on a 0 or in a negative zone. It is not cool. Plus they dilute their shares, minus share buyback ratio minus 10%, minus 4%, minus 7%, or you can count it as like plus shares outstanding. Yeah, by territory is like 70% from China. And I think it is everything that I wanted to show you in this quite quick gold research. If you have some opinion on gold, please write down your thoughts, because some people really like to buy gold or gold stocks. I think it is useless, and maybe it can be a really nice idea to buy some Russian gold stocks if you live in Russia, because we definitely have some channel here, and it is quite understandable stock. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. And stream. End.